In a lot of fiestas in Mexico, like Easter, Christmas, Day of the Dead, and even birthdays, you will find Papel Picado. Today we're going to learn how to make it. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, choose the pattern sheet you want to make. Fold it where it's indicated. Now open the tissue paper and cut it right down the middle. You should get 2 pieces like this. Choose one and make a fold at the top. This will be where the thread for hanging the papel picado will go later. Fold the tissue paper 3 times. Place the pattern sheet on the closed side. The fold we made earlier on the pattern will help it stay in place. You can also use a paper clip for that. Now let's start cutting. For the shapes that aren't close to the side, fold over the paper, snip a little pinch on the middle, and continue cutting the shape. It's time to unfold our papel picado. To finish it off, we'll put the thread on the fold we made at the top. You can use glue or tape so the thread stays in its place. In what fiesta will you hang the papel picado you just made? Don't forget to invite me. See you later. Bye.
Dos Manos Craft Kits.
To see more Dos Manos kits, go to www.teachersdiscovery.com and type in Dos Manos in the search bar.